iCloud may be popular among Apple users, but it's not available on Android. In this video, we'll explore 6 of the best iCloud alternatives for Android, highlighting their pros, cons, and key features. Let's dive in. Number 1. iCloud for Android alternative. MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android is a top iCloud alternative, offering backup and restore for multimedia, contacts, SMS, and apps, with comprehensive management for Windows and Mac. First step: download and open the program, then connect your Android phone via USB. Follow the prompts to connect, then click Super Toolkit on the main interface. Second step: choose Backup from the page and choose the data types you need. Then locate a folder on computer and tap Backup to put the chosen data to computer. Third step: on the main screen, go for Restore, and the list of the backup files will show you. Now, just select what you need to move to your connected Android phone. Number 2. iCloud equivalent for Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android easily backs up and restores data. Connect your phone, click Backup to save, and Restore to retrieve data, ensuring your important files stay safe. Number 3. Android version of iCloud Google Drive. Providing with free storage of 15 GB through Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides data, Google Drive enables you to sync files across phones and share them with your friends as you like. Number 4. Alternative to iCloud for Android. Dropbox. Founded in 2007 and won favor of many business users, especially in the US. Dropbox then introduced Carousel, which can be used to back up phone photos and videos automatically. Number 5. iCloud alternative for Android. Amazon Drive. Hammering at data management on media files. Amazon Drive allows you to enjoy 5 GB of storage for free within 365 days. Again, it can be used to upload photos, documents, music, etc. by dragging and dropping directly. Number 6. iCloud for Android alternative. SugarSync. SugarSync lets you store Android files to the web and enables you to remove your unwanted data on your device. It is permissible to make the private or public sharing, but you do not have permission to preview your files before backup. Concise summary: